Hello guys, welcome to our channel Oracle DBA Smart. Today we will see how to take the RMAN backup of Oracle database. So let's start. You can see ORDB is running. So first we will check the status of the database. Going to the login in SQL. Here you can see our DB is running in read write mode. So let's start how to take the RMAN backups. I will show you. So here first we have to require one directory where we will take our full backup. So let's create the directory. So I'm going to this where temp location, and here we will create one directory. Directory name should be, you can, as per your convenience. So I'm taking the arman underscore bkp. I'm creating one directory, and let's go in this directory. Okay, so we will use for this directory of the database. Okay, now we have to log in this Arman utility. So I'm going to this target. I'm going to the login in the Arman utility, the Arman target slash, yeah. Here I'm in currently Arman utility. So we will take the backup. So what is the backup command? So backup database plus archive log format, and I will give this location and create some file name. So I will keep this file name is full bkp underscore percentage u this. So it will be create on this location. So first taking the full backup of the database, then we will take the current control file. Here you can see our database backup started. It will be take depends on the size of the database, but our DB size is very small, so it will not take much time. Okay, so now you can see the full backup is taken. So you can see here is the control file is also taken in this database plus archive log. But if required, if you're not sure, so database is not, sometimes it not will take the current control file. So you can take the current control file backup. So how to take the current control file backup? So backup current control file format. Okay, so here we will provide the same location. We want to create the current control file. So we will use this location and create control file dot vkp. Okay, so we can understand this is our current control file. So you can say separately we are taking the current control file. Okay, so yeah, now our current control file is successfully taken. So I will show you. Yeah, our here this is the two is a full backup piece, and this one is a current control file. So this is the format. You can take the full backup of the database, full backup, Arman backup, and with the control file. And in this scenario, it depends on the size, how much backup is required, how to take the backup. So thank you for watching this video. So here full backup we have taken.